How to set permissions in Asana. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for asana.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, we'll have to go on the left part of the screen, and then in here, we'll have to select the project where we want to set permissions. So as an example, I'm going to select this HR reports, and then after that, we'll have to go on the top right corner of the screen and then tap on the share option. After that, it will show you all the list of members that we have on that account. In here, to set permissions, simply hover the cursor to the member that you want to set permission, and then after that, you will see this arrow icon here. Simply tap on this one. And then in here, it will show you all the permissions that you can set. If you want the member to be able to edit, make changes, or delete anything on the project, then you will have to set the permission for editor. And then if you want the member to only comment but not be able to edit on the project, simply select commenter. And then if you want the member to only be able to view, then you will have to simply set the permission as viewer. So as for me, I'm just gonna leave it as editor. So that's how easy we can set permissions in Asana. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.